So yesterday we went spearfishing with some friends and it was a big trip. I'm gonna get the clips going now. Enjoy the trip. Look at that water, guys. You see that? Look at that. It's amazing.
Dài hơn cả mét á.
Ủa tụi nó là nước cái vàng cháy không có. Lẹ qua ngọc ra. con bò xuống bắn cá róc thôi.
Nước này bơi tắm san hô đã lắm á.
Không ai xuống bắn ra, bắn cái chết đi.
Nhái đậu, nguyên bài sinh xương luôn, nhái đậu.
Anh Vàng Sinh Sương ơi, con ngưỡng mộ anh của anh Vàng ơi.
Chị đập. Xanh xương này về tái cho anh ngon lắm nè, tươi này về tái ăn.
Gọi là idol của em.
Xong rồi cô. Khi nhắm ông xong rồi chúng ta vô chúng ta rút quân thôi. Tới 4 giờ con thấy không?
And I know what you guys are thinking. Are we going to eat the fish or what? Alright. Let's go to the kitchen, baby. Should you use a sharp knife for this? Three cloves of garlic. In. Salt, sugar, now we're gonna grind them. Now the combo, half an orange and half a lime. fish sauce. Here we have Phu Quoc fish sauce, so it's hard to beat really. Alright, now some chives and coriander. Fine. Alright, now for the main thing, peanuts roasted. In salt, some chili flakes. Alright, now again we're gonna grind it, but not too much. Don't grind it too much, guys. We like our peanuts a little bit flaky and not powdery. Some olive oil. Good. Now we're gonna put some coriander into the peanut as well. Now, 2 eggs. Just a little bit of fish sauce. Now we're gonna coat this fish into this egg mixture. We put it into the peanut here. Make sure we got a nice coating all over. Beautiful. One done. Again. Make sure we got a nice even mixture. Now we need to get the pan really hot. If you put the peanut fish into the pan when it's cold, then the peanut is not gonna stick and it's gonna fall all over. We don't want that. Oil. Now we're gonna lower the heat to medium. We're gonna cook about 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes each side. Then we should be ready. Now a bit of the sauce. Turn it around one last time. More sauce. Now we're gonna transfer it to our plate right here. Get some of this fish fat. Love me some fish fat. Boom! Look at that. It's amazing, guys. It really is. You should try it. It is worth it. So amazing. So good. Alright, so I want to turn off the camera now and I want to finish eating this mangrove snapper. I hope you had fun watching our full day spearfishing, and I hope you also had fun watching me cook this mangrove snapper. So for now, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye. Take care.